Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Anita Cunningham. If you're here, that means you want to get fit and you're in the right place. Because my goal is to give to you overall fitness, to show you how I train to gain overall fitness and strength. You know, I want that speed of a cheetah and the strength of a tiger. That's my goal. I'm not here to mess about and do easy workouts and do something that's not effective. I'm here for stamina. I'm here to push your limits. So if you'll find it difficult, our mindset's going to kick in where we've got that mind-muscle connection and we're going to push through. That's what I'm all about. This kettlebell workout I do usually as a finisher if I wanted to use kettlebells, or you could use dumbbells, or you can do it as a HIIT workout. So if you've had your push day, pull day, you know, chest or back or leg day, and you want to finish off hard with a bit of a HIIT workout but still using equipment, this is where to go, this is what to do. So this is my genuine workout, what I personally would do. I'm not recommending anything for the viewers. I'm not trying to create a workout to suit everybody, because quite frankly, everybody wants something different. I respect all aspects of training, but everybody's different and every sport's different. Everybody trains differently to achieve what they want. So for me, it's overall fitness. If that's what you want, then you're in the right place. Train with me today. We're in the gym, it's a genuine environment, so there's weights going on, there's people training everywhere. I'm here filming today for my YouTube channel, but I'm also getting my work out of it as well. So I'm going to train with you and generally go through the reps, go through the exercises with you. Let's do this. Okay, we've got 20 seconds to start. You'll need a various kettlebells, you know, some heavier and some lighter for the first move. This first move is a kettlebell side bend. So this is working the obliques, okay? It's a standing ab movement. Engaging the core, let's go. So you want to bend and pull up. You want to go quite heavy on this. To really let your side crunch and pull it back up. Okay, opposite side. Have a rest. Some people say, oh, girls shouldn't train their obliques. I believe in training every muscles. Somebody actually said to me the other day, women shouldn't train their trap muscles. Listen, honey, I'm here to gain overall fitness and strength. I'm going to train every muscle, okay? And that's what we are doing. Opposite side. Okay, now we're going to do windmill. So you want a lighter weight, because you're, excuse me, you're putting the kettlebell to the back of your wrist, okay, standing wide apart, knee slightly bent, and you're going to lock up at the kettlebell, okay? So you're looking up at it so you can keep control, but you don't want it too heavy, because obviously you don't want it to drop on your face. So, and make sure you master the technique and really work on the form before you do this workout. This particular exercise, sorry. This is a total body exercise, but it's also very good. It's like mainly a standing ab workout. So you're using a true weight and you're practicing your mobility and your technique, rather than just doing a crunch, which is good, but these other exercises are fantastic for your mobility and your overall strength, which of course is our goal. Therefore, we push our limits and we go that extra mile. Strong arms, strong shoulder. Look up at the weight, reach. And stand. Push up. Okay, that's both sides done. Now you can use your heavier weight now, or your more mediocre weight, and we're going to do kettlebell swings. So legs quite far apart, because we're going to swing and you don't want the kettlebell to obviously bang your knees. So you're getting in the movement of like a Romanian deadlift, almost, and we're squeezing. Lean back, pull through. So you want that hinge movement. Pull through, squeeze. Okay. Now we're going to do squat with calf raise, okay? So you can use your middle weight, or you can go to your lower weight, and basically feet shoulder width apart into your squat. You're squatting down and then you're going onto your calves, okay? Make sure you balance. Right up and hold it. So I'll turn to the side for you. Now we're going to do kettlebell twists. So I'm actually going to grab the middle weight. No, I'm not. I'm going to go back. It's okay to go lighter if you need to. Okay, twist. So keep your hips straight, and you just want to really twist your waist. Really twist, come on, you should feel it. 5 seconds. Keep them hips straight. Rest. Whew. Okay, next we're going to do standing single leg deadlift, okay? So you're going to put the weight in the leg that's balancing, and we're going to balance forward and then stand, okay? So this is obviously very hard on your legs, but it's also, you have to fully engage the core to balance. And stand up, okay? Control. So your whole leg is working to keep you standing, but to keep your balance, your core has to be engaged. Okay? If you find this difficult at first, that is actually normal if you've never done it before. But you just need to work on it. Okay, 7 seconds. This is a really good accessory exercise to do with, like, if you do Romanian deadlifts or if you do split squats as a compound movement, to help build that movement as an accessory, like, or as a superset. Like, I recommend doing Romanian deadlift, and then as a superset you could do your single leg deadlifts like these, and it's just really isolating that muscle more. Okay, let's go. Just slow and controlled. Okay, like I said, we don't just want fitness, we don't just want strength, we want balance. We want to be Mr. Miyagi. Right, sorry, that's my silly sense of humour kicking in. Let's concentrate. Okay, so now we're going to go onto the mat and we're going to do our next movements, which is more crunch based. So, get onto your mat, get ready, you've got 5 seconds. We're starting off with crunches with the kettlebell. Ten seconds. Okay, I'm actually going to grab a lighter weight for the next one. Okay, the next one we're doing tucking in and out. So, tuck it in, tuck it out. Okay, that's the movement. If your arms are a bit tired from before, just go down to your lighter weight. Not too light though. If it's too easy, it's not good. It's not. You're not going to get the results that we require on this channel if the weight's too light, okay? Seven seconds, come on, push through. Ooh, rest. Next we're going to do leg raises. Take deep breaths. Preparing yourself for the next movement. Okay, legs up, arms up, leg raises. Keep going, don't stop. 7 seconds. Okay, now prepare yourself. We're gonna do some full sit-ups, okay? Really strive through. And I want you to push that kettlebell right over your head and push through, okay? So don't just reach, come up and push your head through, okay? Really force that full core to work, okay? Right through. Halfway. You should feel that in your shoulders as well. 9 seconds, come on. Ooh. 5. Ooh, done. Ooh. Now, I'm going to do a plank. I'll actually look this way for you, it's easier. Okay, do plank pull through. So what that means is, I'm in a full press up position, kettlebell's there, I'm going to pull it through. The heavier the weight, the harder this is. come on. Whew. This is burning. This is a lot harder than it looks. 5. Ooh. Whew. Done. Now we're going to do an actual plank, and then that's us finished. Okay? Personally, I think this is quite a quick workout, really. It feels quick. Ready? 40 seconds and you are done. Up we go. Your abs should be burning. Six more seconds, come on. Ah, oh, so. Oh, that was so satisfying. I think so anyway. Right, that is the kettlebell workout finished. You have completed 15 moves, 40 seconds on, 20 seconds off. So it was mostly abs. All the movements, you know, involve more or less the full core. The obliques, the lower abs, the top abdominals, works all your waist. Everybody wants that clinched in waist or that V-line. These are the exercises you need to be doing, okay? If you enjoyed this workout, be sure to check out my 20-minute HIIT workout that I filmed last week, which is high intensity to get you the overall fitness. Whew. I'm talking and I feel like I can't breathe. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this workout. If you did, please leave a comment of what you thought below. Leave a comment if you feel it in your abs, and also what you'd like to see next. I hope you come back to this channel because we're here to get overall fitness. I actually heard a quote yesterday that said, the lazy are sad when they don't get the results, but the winners are worried that they're being too lazy. And that's not you, okay? You are not that lazy person. You are here because you are a winner and you are going to get overall fitness. See you soon.